In my book, The Art of Active Allyship, I look at the 7 behaviors that are needed for all of us. And when we think about leadership as being all of us being a leader, then how do we step up then to be able to nurture those inclusive spaces using the concept of active allyship? And a few of them really apply here when we think about generative AI. And the first behavior is actually around deep curiosity. Really being deeply curious about what is missing, whose voice is missing, how is someone who's different from myself, are they represented in what generative AI is providing us, in the responses that we're getting? Is that perspective representative of the global majority, the global south, the underrepresented, the underrecognized, the underestimated? Are those voices really there? The second is honest introspection, and that is about examining bias. Bias in the way we ask questions as well. Sometimes we can also ask questions in a particular way. And of course, that means that you'll get a certain type of response from ChatGPT or from Bard as examples. But if we tweak the words, could we get a more inclusive response? Would that then trigger the generative AI system to be able to provide us with more nuance and more representation in the responses we get? So I think that honest introspection around our own questions, but then of course looking at the responses we get and saying, well, where does bias actually lie in what is being provided to us?